Hi, my name is Devlin Stivers. Today we're going to be talking about torque couplings. So in torque couplings, these are used in different applications where you don't want a fixed system. So one end is connected to a motor that's driving the system while the other end's connected to whatever you're spinning. So the purpose of this is to not have a fixed system so that you could have a magnetic coupled system so that if you get overloaded, you can have that slip so that your system isn't malfunctioning or causing damage. It just slips the magnets past the certain torque point. So we actually make both of these in-house. We put magnets lined on the ID of this outer piece, and then we have magnets inside and we weld this piece together. So after we're done assembling and putting these things together, we want to test them. So what I came up with was this design where we can put the inner core piece on this travel system, and we are able to drive it into the outer piece and test the torque between the two with the torque wrench. So I can just show you a quick demonstration. Drive the inner piece into the system. So this is how it would be coupled naturally, and then we're able to take the torque wrench, set it to the max torque point, and then we're able to make sure so that was the slipping that would occur if you had an overload. It just jumps to the next magnet point of attraction. So this is very useful to understand our assembly and make sure we assemble things correctly and that it's functioning properly before shipping it out to our customers. And thanks for joining us today.